Finally got another dahlia. This one is called Golden Scepter. Look how long stems. Isn't that pretty? I'm going to pair it with the peach behind me. So it's going to be yellow and peach bouquet. So I only have one yellow ball dahlia. This is Golden Scepter. Ready to go. And I have lots of peach roses. We're getting the flush of roses again, and it's cooling down and it's feeling so much better. We're still in the 90s, but we're not 100 plus. So let's go find colors that would look really good with this. Got some winter sown zinnias here. I got some beautiful cosmos ready. There's a really pretty one back there too. Some amaranth. I don't think I want to go that direction. I love the celosia. That's a nice, pretty yellow zinnia. There's another peachish. That's not really peach, that's more bright pink. There's a peach. There's some pinks. Got a couple straw flowers ready. Those are two orange. And then let's go check out those peach roses over there. I love these peach roses. And that pretty cosmos is beautiful. Oh, all right. I'm gonna pull a whole bunch of these and then I'll show you what I choose. Look how tall these cosmos are. Those are pretty. They almost match my shirt. So this is what I've picked so far. All different sizes. So I'm going to find a couple more textures and then I'll try to put this together. One of my favorite ones to use, Pink Splash Oigella. These are way cool. Cone flowers. Look at the color on them. They're different. I wanted this rose, but it snapped off. So I can use that one that's more closed, but I only have one. Hi, welcome back. It's the next day, and my husband is helping me record. So I was able to gather all of these from my yard, and I'm not quite sure what I'm going to make with them, but let's just do this. This is a pink valerian top that kind of went to seed already. And I think it's cool because it has a lot of texture. Look how long those stems are. What's sad is that some of them are so short that the long stem ones are going to go to waste almost. These have been in water overnight because I had lots to do. I have kids going back to school this week. See how short that is? That one's not going to work. Maybe I'll put it in this little arrangement there. But look how long this one is. So technically I could have cut it here, but I kind of wanted it a longer one. Oh, Frisky wants attention. So the original reason I did this one, I have one. I wonder if I have another one blooming today. I'll have to go look. One Golden Scepter. Golden Scepter Dahlia. Look at that. Oh, that smells so good. Coming together. Look at this giant zinnia. Let's place that giant zinnia over there. Ugh, earwig, get off. Trying to make it my style, which is more circular and kind of tightish, but I still do want some things to flow a little bit. Look at that one, that's pretty. So I'm trying to come out of my comfort zone a little bit and get it a little bit different heights would be nice. This melon color coneflower. Oh my goodness. That matches so perfect with those roses. That is beautiful. Oh my gosh, I'm loving this. So, I wonder if sedum do the same thing that snapdragons do. If you don't have them exactly straight up and down in your vase, they kind of turn a curve. These petals kind of look like they have some brown around it, and I'm curious if I need to take off the petals on these, or if it looks okay in the bouquet the way it is. It almost gives it a vintage vibe, and I might not. I haven't decided. This is so pretty though. I am loving the colors.
That one bee is huge.
I like the bees that have the orange stripes. Those are some of my favorite ones. I'm not loving the cosmos right now. They're kind of losing their shape and they're not lasting very long. I heard that you're supposed to take, when you do cosmos for a bouquet, you have to cut them like at bud form almost. So maybe that's what's going on. I need something on this side. Is that rose long enough? No? Oh, look at this. If you ever feel like it's too tight, you can always kind of shake your hands. That one might just be way too small, but I love it. I don't know. So this bouquet right here on the table, this was the bouquet I did like almost 2 weeks ago, and I took out everything that did not last. So come down here and look at these for a minute. It has the straw flower that lasted a long time, almost dried. The sedum looks good. All of that was in there for a long time. I saw this cosmos foliage. What do you think? Would that be too much? Or do you think it would be kind of fun? I think I kind of like it. Flamingo feather celosia. I have got to grow more celosia. These things are amazing. They are just so fun. They add such a spike element. That's a complete blast. I love them. As I'm going to go like this, and I'm going to put it in my vase. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. Do you guys ever feel like you just love something? Oh. Okay. So now I'm just going to add some flowers in. That's a straw flower. Yeah. Put this one in the top. I am loving all the dimension. So pretty. Okay, so I'm going to take the straw flower, okay? See how long this straw flower stem is all the way down? So if I left it like that, it would be this much higher than my bouquet. I don't want it that much higher. So I'm going to go where I think I want it to stand about that much higher. Then I go down the stem and I kind of cut it at table length where this is. Does that make sense? Right there. And then I know that that's the height it's going to be. Now I just got to figure out where I want it. And so it still has that same height. So I might finish the rest of that off camera. I'm just going to put a couple more of these in. But I also had some more of this that I was going to do. Beautiful. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Very, very fun. And I got this at a thrift store. So go find your vases at a thrift store. So my husband thought it was funny. He put antennas. So no, get those out of there. This is what I have left. This is the one I did today. This is the one that was kind of done, and I redid it. But I want to play with line a little bit. See how that's going up like that? So let's see what I can do. I have some of these things left. This is a garden rose. So this is definitely more totally rounded shaped. Would it look cooler if I had stuff that came out of it a little bit better? Because look at the interest on that. And I actually didn't put too much thought into that one. So I'm trying to step out of what I normally do and just kind of a tight ball, but I'm not loving it. I mean, this is way too high. I mean, if we added some, I don't know, I just don't love it. But this one, I think is really quite gorgeous. And all I did was kind of use what I already had from the last bouquet. See, I'm already fussing too much. I don't like that. It's weird. The colors, though. Look at these colors. Look at that rose. I think it's called Tranquility. But I do like the line. How that swoops up like that. It's so pretty. So I gotta learn line. I gotta learn some line in this design. And this is kind of automatically coming out. But I think if I had something swooping down here, I think it would help with how tall that is. So when you have a garden, you have them all at different heights. You don't have them all exactly the same. So I need to embrace this a little bit more, that it looks like my garden rather than a tight sphere. So I'm just going to keep playing with it. So I'm getting happy with how it's coming together. I still feel like it's a little bit off balance. I kind of need, it's supposed to be off balance, right? But what I mean is asymmetrical. So we got something coming over this way. I think I need something swoopy. I wonder if I have any Dusty Miller to kind of ground that. Oh, that'd be pretty. Let me go look. Okay, what in my garden could help ground that a little bit more? I do have some white roses over there. Let me see if those work at all. Ooh, Dusty Miller. Let's try it. So these Dusty Miller stems are not long enough. So what I wanted to do is have a really long swooping one come over this side. But maybe I can still find something that swoops a little bit more behind that. But I thought it sure added some fun texture for this side. Do I need more, or do you think that's enough? Probably enough. I don't know. Let me keep playing. What do you guys think? Look at that. Isn't that glorious? Kind of makes a line this way for the eye. I need something right there, right? So I just picked this. That'd be a cool textural element, but I want to get rid of the top part because it's ugly. So I kind of like how tall it is. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. I might have to put the camera down. Oh. I don't know if I like it. Alright, that was a complete blast. This spot right here is going to get a yellow zinnia. Come with me. So over here in these pots, I want this yellow zinnia to fill that spot. So I'm going to sacrifice some of these to go way down. I'm cutting with my left. Come on. We're going to put you in that spot. Down for a minute. Oh, right there. Right there, I think. I want those white roses. Oh, is it worth going through all of this to get to it? I don't know. Here we go. And are they long enough? Let's see. I'm going to cut with one hand all the way down to there. Don't die, don't die, don't die. And now I can't die because there's... Okay. That one's not worth taking with me. Only one casualty. I stepped on an iris. All for that. Same rose. This one has a cream color. That one looks way white. That makes no sense. I wanted it right there. At some point you gotta stop, right? Oh my goodness. One of these days you'd think I'd wear gloves when I play with roses. There is blood. Oh, I need both hands here. Okay, I am very happy with this. This is so pretty. What's funny is they both ended up kind of the same shape, and I didn't mean to, but they're both kind of leaning a little bit that way. Oh, it's so fun. That was a blast, and we're getting a beautiful sky again, my favorite time out here. So I changed it up quite a bit, and I am so happy with it. Now it looks more like a flower arrangement. What a fun project. See you guys later. Bye. Thank you for joining me as I play in my yard and design with flowers. I had a great time as I took a break from back to school, all of our back to school projects that we had to do. Oh, I am loving this. This is really fun. Bye. Just have fun with it. See you later.